Namaste, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Welcome everyone to ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ channel. And today we are going to do the lesson 16. I hope you are already following the lessons, and till lesson 15 you have already followed. We are learning kagunitha, hope you know it. And we have learned till u, ru in the last lesson, in the lesson 15. So now we'll be learning the kagunitha for the next three letters, that is A and I. So before going to the A and I, so let's quickly revise what we have learned till now. So I already told you, hope you remember, we are combining the half letters with the vowels. Alva? So if my K is a half letter, I'll combine with the then I'll get a K. Similarly, K plus A, Ka, K plus E, Ki, K plus E, He, K plus U, Ku, K plus U, Ku, K plus R plus Kru. Okay, so till here we have learnt. We have also learned the words and the small sentences of 2 to 3 word sentences. Okay, so now let's learn for A and I. So if you learn for A and I is very simple. Okay, so now you know how to write K. I hope you remember this. What do I call this? This is called as a tale. Alva? So instead of a straight line here, so you are going to write like this. So this is also number 2 in Kannada. If you don't know, this is number 2 in Kannada. This is how we write number 2 in Kannada. So we want this symbol. So remember this. Okay, now instead of this, we'll apply this. So what happens? So this is my line. I have K. So now, so if you are not writing, we are writing within the line. Then this is how it will look. This is K. Okay, to the same symbol. Now for K, what I do is, just a minute, let me write K. So write as it is. As it is. So to make it K, what you should do? Apply this symbol. For the E, we did write the simple P thing. This will make K. And for now, Kai, remember crew. So we did this one for crew, right? So instead of this, like this, go slightly right side. We'll do this one. So if it is a crew, how do I write? If it is a crew, I'll write like this. Similarly, below the line you'll stop it here, go to the right. That's it. Instead of a straight line, go to the right side. That is your Kai. Okay, so now let's try for different letters. After this, you have pictures. Observe the pictures and write it down for each and every letter from K to La. K to Le, K to Le, Kai to Lai. Okay, so now let's try for G. G, okay? G, Gai. Let's try for Ya. Ye, Yai. Let's try for N. Na doesn't have a head. You will put head. Ne, Nai. La. La also doesn't have a head. Le, Lai. Okay, I've showed the one which doesn't have a head also. Okay, so you have to try like this one. You have to write and practice, only then you will understand. So after this, you have pictures. Please practice, take time, write the letters for this like this for all the letters from K to La. Elladukku baridi practice maadi. Then go for the words. Okay, so I'll erase this before going to the words. I hope you remember this. A and I. Okay, fine. Now, let's go to the words. So first we'll learn the words, only the words, okay? K, re, kere, lake. So if I have to write a sentence, idu, kere, what is idu? This is lake. This is a lake. Clear? Okay, next. Ta, le, tale. Tale is a head. A, va, na, ta, le. His head. Avana tale. Okay, na? Fine. Next one. Re, ke. Reke. Reke is a feather. Hakkiya, reke. Bird's feather. Hakkiya, reke. Okay, this is how we will learn slowly. This is how we have to try slowly. I hope you remember the Vattakshara as well. Okay, now? Fine. So next, we'll go for the A sounding. I erase this one. We'll go for a A sounding. Okay. Kelu. Listen. Hadu, kelu. Listen to the song. Hadu, kelu. Listen to the song. Okay. Next one. I'm sorry for the background noise. Jenu, tuppa. Honey bee. Jenu, tuppa. Beku. Beku. I want. Jenu tuppa beku. Okay. Next one. Beda. Don't want. Nanage. For me. Nanage. Uta. Beda. I don't want food. Okay, na? So this is how we will try slowly. Now we have learned A and A. We can write so many sentences now. Using this beku, beda itself, right? We can write so many sentences. Okay, na? So try this one, and after this you have a words as well as the sentences. You have to practice that. Only then you will understand. Only then that will help you to remember and memorize the words and kagunitha. Very important. Okay. So next we'll come for the one more, that is kai. Kai means hand. Nanna kai. My hand. Okay. Next is my. My is body. My banna. The color of the body. Okay. Next one. My su. I'm sorry, it's a cow. Mysuru. Mysurige Banni. Come to Mysore. Mysurige Banni. Okay. Next one. I hope you remember this. How do you read this? Dair. Dairya. Brave. Nanage. Dhairya. Ide. I have courage. Okay, now I hope you know to read this one. This is sounding. I've already done this. If you don't know, please go and watch the video. Okay, now fine. So this is the simple examples I have taken to make you understand how we can write and make a sentences. So after this, you have a words and sentences for all the three sounding A and I. Make sure that you will write and practice for each and every letter. Okay, so doubt idre please do let me know, comment maadi or write a mail to yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. I'm really sorry the background noise. There is some calf that is missing actually. It's missing her mother. So he's shouting that. I'm sorry. So practice maadi, comment maadi. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Namaste.
From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is being there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is being mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Vandamale, Kagunitha, Vattakshura, Arkavali, and words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.